Video I want to talk about why sometimes people that are depressed choose to be alone. Oftentimes we feel when we're depressed that we just can't handle being around other people. We worry that we'll be judged, or we're ultra sensitive, and we don't want to let ourselves be around others because we feel like if other people say something or do something, we're so sensitive that it can really hurt our feelings. So I work as a therapist and coach and run a website where we teach about these topics, and people say, what should I do? Because the reality is it's not fun to be alone, and I really do want to be around other people. And what I say is you can find a very easy way to connect with those that understand what you're going through. So here's a few examples of ways to connect. Meetup.com in most areas has local groups. I am here in Florida. I run a hiking group where we go and get together once every couple weeks, and we go on walks and we take nature walks together, and I made a lot of friends that way. Another example is there's support groups where people that face mental health issues get together and no one will judge you because everyone has some type of issue that they're dealing with. Two great ones to look up are the DBSA Alliance, that's dbsaalliance.org, or the National Alliance on Mental Illness, that's NAMI, NAMI.org. They both have free groups in tons of communities, and you can meet other people that are facing these issues. And part of what's good about that is when you're first getting to deal with these issues, you might want to see that there's other people that have these problems and that you're not alone when you're facing them. Another way is to find something that maybe you are interested in. Maybe you like to play cards, or you like to dance, or you like to jog, or yoga. Find a group. And what I suggest is when you go to that group, try to just find one or two people that you connect with. You don't have to have 20 friends in the group. Find one or two people that you feel could possibly be your friend. And the final tip I want to give for those with depression that want to make new friends is it is not a one-time effort that you meet someone and then you're best friends. Part of the reason when people are younger they sometimes make friends in school is they're there every single day. They go to the school, they see the same children, and eventually they get to make friendships. As an adult, or when you're not in school, it's not that easy. You're not going to see the person every time. So what you have to do is put in work. If you end up making a friend or connecting with someone, you have to reach out, give them a call, give them an email, give them a text. Keep working to get to know them until it becomes so comfortable that you regularly call and talk to each other. Many people miss that because they feel that they should go out there and make a friend and it'll happen instantly. It takes a lot of effort and time to make friends, and if you do want to be around other people and you want to socialize, you have to put the effort in to find a way to connect with others and build those relationships. The value in doing this, even if you make one or two friends, you'll feel happier, you'll feel more connected, and you won't feel so alone, because part of our human connection is being around other people and finding others that understand us and support us. I also want to share, each day I run a magazine where we support people that face these issues. We give them education, and there's an amazing article written every single day to teach you positive ways to handle mental health, and it's really inspirational and optimistic, and I write the articles myself each day. You can find them on our website. It's called bipolaronline.com. It's Bipolar Online. And please know, whatever you are dealing with, if you take the right steps, you can get stronger and healthier. And I want to thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the channel, we have hundreds here for you to enjoy and educate yourself. Have a great day.